For this class. Today I want us to proceed with what we were doing last time. Remember last time we talked about vegetable production, and today I want us to learn or to prepare how to produce vegetables. Um, so to begin with, to begin with, um, we want to, or by the end of this lesson, I expect us to be able to identify the materials and tools that are used in land preparation during vegetable production. Now, what's a seedling? A seedling is defined as a young plant, especially one raised from a seed and not from a cutting. A vegetable is any plant whose fruit, seeds, roots, tubers, bulbs, stems, leaves, or flower parts are used as food, as the tomato and bean. Now, what needs to be prepared? We have materials and we have the tools. So under materials, we have the seeds, we have a piece of land, we have water, and we have manure. Um, and even planting fertilizer. When we talk about the tools, we have hand hoe, we have slasher, we have spade, we have watering can, we have a rake, and we have a tape measure. Now, students, are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen? Someone to confirm? Okay, let me work on it. Okay, are you able? Someone to confirm? Are you able to see my screen now? Okay, thank you. Thank you for confirming. And proceed. Um, Now, those are the or these are the tools and equipments we can be able to see. We have drawings of the tools and equipment that we use. For example, the spade, we have composting fork, we have a jembe, we have a rake, slasher, a panga, the watering can, among others. Now, we also need to look at the maintenance practices that we undertake or that we do on these tools and implements. One is that we ensure that cutting points are sharp. We ensure that we handle the tools properly as we use, so that we don't harm ourselves. We replace broken handles, use a tool for the right purpose, we clean after use, then we do oiling, especially for long storage, and lastly, we need to do proper storage. Now, steps of preparing a nursery bed. Steps of preparing a nursery bed. Okay, so the steps of preparing a nursery bed, we need to do land clearing. We have primary cultivation, secondary cultivation, and tertiary operations. Now, the methodology for production of vegetable seedlings. One, we need to collect certified seeds and we treat them according to the seed type. Plant them in a nursery until they are pencil size. Need to collect topsoil, remove debris and stones. Mix the topsoil with organic manure in the ratio of 1 to 1. Need to do watering regularly, and at that point, uh, it will be done, and our seeds will be ready to germinate and even grow. Now, we've come to the end of our lesson, but before we stop, I want to give you an assignment, and I want you to find out why vegetable seeds need to be raised first in nursery bed, then later on transplanted to a seed bed. So find out about that, then we are going to discuss in our next lesson. I think we've come to the end of our lesson, unless there's any question from any one of you. Thank you. Any question, class? So if you don't have any question, then I want to wish you a nice weekend. We meet next week. Thank you. Bye.